What's up, y'all? It's Akivia and I am back with another wig review from Love Me Hair. So let's get into it. Alright, so the wig that they sent me is a curly wig and it is 14 inches. It's very, very thick from the looks of it so far. And it is a 5x5 closure. And we're going to do this install glueless, okay? They already bleached the knot, so I do not have to do that step. Okay, so you know they always send goodies, lashes, hairpins, earrings, tweezers, a comb, and all of that good stuff. Alright, so I just straightened my hair about a week ago, and I really did not want to braid my hair down already. So what we're going to do is we're just going to brush that back into a low ponytail so that my wig can still be flat. Alright, just like that. And I'm going to take some edge control and just go ahead and brush my edges back with the edge brush. Then I'm going to put my cap on because we're not gluing this down. And then I'm just going to take some makeup and just blend it in with my skin. Then I'm going to take some 91% alcohol and clear all of that makeup off so that it can stick. And now I'm just going in and customizing my baby hairs. I went in and plucked it. And now I'm just simply putting that wig on. See, it matches well. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to cut that lace off underneath the baby edges. And then now I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs off. And you want to do it in a jagged motion so that they're just not like a straight choppy look. You want it to look kind of natural, and you want to make sure you don't cut them too short or leave them too long. Now I'm just going to take some olive oil wig spray and spray that and blow dry it on, and then I'm just going to simply stick my wig in place where I sprayed the product. Next, I tie my hair down with the lace melt bands that I sell from my brand, and then I get up under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes and let it sit. And then I take it off, and then I also use my hot comb to just straighten everything out and make it look really sleek. And then I clean my part up with this root touch-up stick. Then you want to go in and curl your baby hairs under. Spray a little bit product on there. You don't need too much. And you just keep swooping them until you get them to look exactly how you want it to look. And now I'm just flattening everything out, going through saturating my entire wig. And you always want to use some type of conditioner with the water if you choose to use that. And now I'm just going to take a brush and brush through the hair. And it's going through so smoothly, like it's not tangling up or anything. Like, it's very thick. I really, really love this wig. I'm in love with this wig. And it's like literally just the right length. Like, I love like curly hair already, but the short look and the bob look is just everything. And now I'm just going back in and spraying it a little bit more in the back because I feel like I didn't spray enough. And do you see that? Like, look at how bouncy these curls are. Like, what? Period. I'm obsessed. Literally, like, I'm obsessed. So now I'm going to take my Bio Silk. It's just some lightweight serum. And I'm going to put it all over the hair because I don't want no dry looking curly hair. I want it to be shiny. So this is how it looks like, you know, with the really, really wet look. And I just can't get over how good this hair looks. I know, you know, y'all seen it already, but I'm just like, wow. Me personally, I really, really like the dry curly look. Like, I like big hair. But that's the difference with curly hair. Some people like for their hair to be fully saturated, or some people like for it to be big and dry. I'm kind of both, you know. One day I may want to wear it really curly. Another day I want to wear it dry. And, you know, I just want to bring awareness that you can look good wearing it either way. Just make sure that it has a shine to it and that it just doesn't look crazy. Big hair, saturated hair, all of it is beautiful. So right now, what I want y'all to do is I want you to head over to Love Me Hair website and use my code Akivia, capital AKIVIA, to get a discount. You can get a discount using my code on any wig you want, any hair. It doesn't have to be this wig, but if you don't want this wig, then I don't know what are you doing? Because, like, look at that. And here I'm just showing you the bigger, puffier look, which is what I prefer with this wig. With like a shorter wig, I prefer it to be more puffier. It just looks so much cuter to me. This is just my preference. It looks good saturated as well, but I just like this look. Please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Mwah.